Are you looking for a way to download videos from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram directly to your phone? Well, guess what? I got you. Now, without further ado, let's get it.
Yeah, let's copy this link from Facebook. Then you head to your browser. Type in savefrom.net. Savefrom.net. Yeah, so you see the space they provide for us. That's where we paste the link we copied from Facebook, and that's it. You can see it's loading. So yeah, you can see the video. You can see the video here. You click on download and you click on done. Now we are not downloading the video into our mobile phone. That's it. You can see the video. Now let's do the same for TikTok. You can also download your videos from TikTok without watermark. Okay, so what we're going to do is copy the link, head to your mobile browser and type in savefrom.net. I repeat, savefrom.net. You see, enter the URL. That's where we are going to paste the link we copied from TikTok. Yeah, it's now loading. You can see. Then you click on download. Yeah, click on done. And you're good to go. The video is now downloading. We're downloading the video directly into our mobile phone. And one thing is, it's not going to come with watermark. There's not going to be watermark in your videos. Yeah, that's one good thing I like with this site. You can see the video is downloading. Yeah. Now let's play the video. You can see there is no watermark, no TikTok watermark on the video. It's just the video without the watermark.
Thanks for staying to the end of this video. To my existing subscribers, you guys still remain my #1 VIP. And if you're new here, welcome. Hang around. Let's have fun. See you guys in my next video. Peace.